This is our little sister, Mariana. And today she'll be joining us for this fun video. So today we're going to be making Playdough! So this is the Playdough that I made. And this is the Playdough that me and Mariana made. Yes. Well, it's kind of like kinetic sand Playdough. And this is how it looks like.
Thank you.
It's very fun to play with.
Yeah.
And today we'll be showing you how to make it. So these are the ingredients. The ingredients are 1 cup of flour
And
half cup of salt, half cup of salt, and
we have
half cup of water. Yeah. And, so let's get started. Okay, so the other things you'll be needing is a bowl and something to mix with. So you can use like
We have a spoon.
yeah, we have spoons like Mariana said, and chopsticks.
Yes.
We could also use that. So the first thing we'll be adding is the flour. There we go. Just pour it out. Ooh. You can add the whole thing. Well, I guess that was wrong. You can't really pour it all in.
Now we top it.
So then you'll add the sugar. I mean, not the sugar, the salt.
Yes. Wow, that looks cool.
And then the water. So
Water.
Mariana can pour the water.
Good job, Mariana.
Okay, now we're gonna get mixing.
Oh, wow, guys. Take a mixing, guys.
So we'll get back to you guys when it's all dry. Okay, guys. So it's a little bit way too dry, as you could see. Yeah, it's a little bit way too dry. As you can see, it just looks like flour on itself.
Ooh,
So you can
yummy.
add. That's not for eating. Actually, we're doing Play-Doh.
Yeah.
So you can add more water. So we're gonna go add more water. So we got the water. All right, guys. So we got the water, and this is 1 cup, but I think it's too much. So let's add a little bit at a time.
Yeah, and then if let's try some water.
Oh,
that's
Keep mixing.
Oh, that's a
Actually,
cool
Starting to
cookie.
form a little bit.
Oh, that's a cool.
Yeah, it's cool. So we can make Play-Doh.
So
So we're gonna mix it all together, and when we're done, we'll show you. And we're gonna probably add more water, but we'll show you when it's already a little bit formed.
Yeah.
All right, you guys. So I think we added a little bit too much flour. So I mean, a little bit too much water. So now we gotta add a little bit more flour. It's a little bit too watery.
just gonna add a little
Just
bit
a little
more.
flour. So that's all right, and we'll keep mixing. Okay,
guys.
so now we added just a touch more flour, but now you can put it into 3 parts so we can all have
it
a formed
piece.
already, as you could see. Not totally formed, but now you're going to split them in 3 parts so we can do it. Let's take the spoon out.
Mama hat.
So,
God, the mama hat.
okay, guys, so we had to take off the protective thing that was there, and because it was starting to stick to it, and then it would stick all to it.
Yeah.
But we're doing it on top of a table now, and it's way too sticky, so we need to add more flour. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more flour. Just like do it on top, and ooh, it's okay. And repeat it until it's not sticky anymore. Okay, guys. So we molded it. Didn't take too long.
Yeah,
And this is how it looks.
it's really fun.
And now it doesn't really look
that is my pillow.
Yes, and it doesn't really look like kinetic sand Play-Doh because now it's just Play-Doh, and that's how it's now.
Yeah.
And one more special thing to do to this amazing Play-Doh will be revealed right now. Okay guys, so the thing we were talking about is food coloring. So you can add them to your Play-Doh so it could be way more colorful. And the best thing is that you can mix them to make other colors if you would like.
Oh, I'm gonna use blue.
Which one do you want to use, Mariana?
I'm gonna use yellow.
Yellow?
Oh.
And actually, I'm going to use green and red. I'm going to use both of these.
I might use green too.
Yes. So, we're going to show them how they look. Okay, guys. So, we're going to add our food colorings now.
So I'm gonna add
food coloring. I'm going to add green first.
No, it was yellow.
Okay. Let's put our extra colors aside.
Ooh.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
You
Maybe just put it in the dough.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. And then, and add only add only 5 to 10 drops to your.
Don't add that much.
Yeah.
Just add a little tiny.
Not too much. Not too much.
Just a little bit.
That's good. Now mix it.
Whoa! This is so wet. I'm gonna try to get like
now mix it. Mix it.
I'm gonna try to get
add 1, 2, 3.
So I'm gonna get like about.
That's a lot.
I want to try to get like about like a dark blue or like a light blue. 3, 4. There's not a lot.
So we'll show you how they look like at the end. So for this part, you would actually, if you would like, you will do it on top of something.
I'll do it.
You want to do a little bit of red? So let me help you.
Okay.
Oh wait, let's use this one. This one's already. So you could do it on top of something, so it doesn't get stained, but this doesn't really get stained.
Yeah.
So.
If it goes on the table, you have to dry really fast. So it doesn't go on the table.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So our hands are stained.
Yeah.
But this is washable, so it'll wash right off.
Yeah.
And after mixing blue and green, this is how mine looks like.
And after mixing blue, green and red, it turned out like this blue. I really like this blue. It's like darkish, lightish, so I really like it. It's really fun to play with.
And Mariana, tell the colors that you included. She added green, she added red. What other colors? Blue, yellow, yeah.
She added like all the colors.
She added all the colors, and hers is the most colorful.
Because hers is like
Although
a
she
rainbow.
needs to mix it a little more.
Yeah, the pink.
Oh yeah, she actually combined some colors, and there's actually pink in there.
So I'm gonna add like 2 more pumps of food coloring.
So
this is how our I was about to say slime. This is like our Play-Doh. Can make it at home. It's very fun.
Okay guys, so this Play-Doh is now it's actually kind of turning to kinetic sand Play-Doh.
Yeah.
But we just wanted to say thank you so much for all the subscribers and all the likes. Thank you so much. And that's gonna be the end for our video. Oh, wait, I almost forgot to include something. When you put it away, make sure to put it away in a Ziploc bag and put flour in it, so when you play with it again, you take it out of the Ziploc, it's not so sticky.
Or you could just put it in a container and put flour.
But it's better in a Ziploc.
Yeah.
So,
And it won't stick.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching Sunshine Sisters. Bye. See you next time.
Subscribe and like if you haven't yet.
Subscribe.
Bye. Bye.
Subscribe so you get notified whenever we post a video.
Yep. So stretchy.
And now for real. Bye.
Bye.